What up, guys? So here we are on the Beamer 135i. Since the coil packs and spark plugs have been changed, I have had no issues whatsoever. So luckily, I've been using seafoam as well. As you can see, it's not quite warmed up yet. Got a little bit of backfire going on, as that's normal. Does it more when it's colder, less warmed up. I could put the burble tune on there, but I haven't since yet really tried the burble since the tune up. Will indeed get sideways when the tires are not warmed up. Can I beat this light? That's a good question. No, I cannot. Oh, this guy's not going though. I beat this guy out. I hit the wrong button. I hit my cruise control by accident. Anyway, guys, that's how it sounds. I need to get over though, actually, so let's see what we can do here. Look at this guy. No chance, dude. Lots of traffic as usual. Much easier to record with an automatic. But I love this transmission, guys. I don't miss the WRX's stick shift at all. Now this guy, go ahead. You're already in the middle of the street. I get this all day long. I get this all day long. All day long I get that shit. So I'm just going to the bank to cash that Coney Active Shock rebate. And then I'm going back home. Oh, there's a WX right there, actually, speaking of one. Alright, guys, just wanted to give you a little heads up on how the BMW's running. It's running great. Cross my fingers. It stays that way. Just cleaned her up too a little bit a couple of days ago. Luckily, parking on my neighbor's spot, so the tires are holding up, and it's looking mighty shiny today, even after 2 days later. I sweat my nuts off doing it too. I don't know. It's very taxing on my ankles for some reason, leaning down so low. Alright, guys, till next time.